market here in Santa Monica, California. I have a point-of-sale system run through my PC, and I've used No Sweat, I think 3 times in the last 2 years, 2 total hard drive failures and 1 motherboard failure. Every time it's been quick, thorough. I always get a call on the costs, if I want to go forward or not. And the breakdown is always really good, and I get to see what each part costs, the labor, all that, and I never feel like I'm paying for one thing that is not needed. There's no extra work. It's just what's needed. And point-of-sale system is pretty important in the fact that it's not just my Word documents or my pictures or my music. It's got actual charge accounts and credit card information and really sensitive stuff, and No Sweat is very careful with that, protect all that information, which is important to businesses. And overall, it's just a great service, and I recommend it highly to anyone.